Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, let's go this way. Okay, we're gonna do a typical day in the shop. Pretty much every 2 or 3 days, I try to get y'all one of these. But first, guys, let me make an announcement. Today is actually Wednesday, so I know I'm gonna make this video break line. Okay, so tomorrow, which is Thursday, y'all know I typically do a live stream on Thursday. I'm gonna have on air with me, live streaming with me, one Mr. Jimmy Vaughn. Okay, that's the owner of a high performance shop called All Par Garage. Okay, so let me make that announcement real quick. Tomorrow on the live stream, Tech Talk Thursday, we're gonna have Jimmy Vaughn on once again. He's been on with me before. We had a good time talking about Hemis and high performance cars and things like that. I know a lot of you guys had a few questions. I know what's going on now. There's a lot of back and forth going on, a lot of beef going on. Uncle Tony's put out a controversial video. Got a couple of controversial responses from Mr. Dart. A lot of people agree with him. A lot of people disagree with him. Now, I'm not going to have Jimmy on to debate whether they're right or wrong. We're going to merely give you our take on it. We're going to merely talk. I'm going to get his take on it because he's in the high performance world. I'm in the dealership world, so I see the Hemis day in, day out. I see the failures. I see pretty much everything that's going on, especially with the cars. Now, because he was once in the dealer, actually the same dealer I'm at now, he have that background, but he has taken it a step further. He have high performance background now, so all the Hemis with the 392, the high performance stuff, he's very familiar with that. That is what he do now. So I'm gonna get his take on a lot of Hemi things, and we're just gonna chop it up, man. Like I say, we're not gonna be on to dispute anybody or call anybody wrong or any of that stuff. That's not what I'm bringing him on for. I don't even think he get down like that. But I will get his take on a lot of things that I do not see, because we do not see the high performance. Tune in tomorrow, guys, 8 p.m. sharp. Jimmy Vaughn from All Par Garage will be on. All right. Now, let's get with it. Let's tour this place, see what's going on, what's been going on in here. All right, let's go this way, guys. Real quick, guys. All right, guys, I haven't done one of these in a while. Let's do one of those typical day in the shop or typical day in the garage. What we have here, this is a Pacifica. Hey, y'all see this? Black Pacifica. Okay, y'all know I don't want to put anybody on spotlight, but the engine. This is a 3.6. It's got to be from the facial 2017 through 2019. The body's all the same. Now, I don't know why they're saying. I have no clue, but I can speculate why it's not in. Ladies and gentlemen, that reason is for ticking. That's right, guys. I highly doubt this is in for ticking noise. Any kind of valve train engine noise. You know why? Because this is generation 3. 3.6 Pentastar engine. Okay, they pretty much got a handle on the valve train. In fact, the complete valve train have been redesigned. Okay, so none of this looks the same as a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Pentastar engine. So we can agree on that. Like I said, I don't know why it's in. I see a little minor stuff off, but I do know why it's not in. And even that, I'm speculating, guys. But these engines been holding up well. As far as all the complaints we was getting on the older model, and the only complaint we was getting on the older models was the ticking, the valve train noise, the tapping, the rock arms coming apart. But because it's redesigned, you shouldn't see that anymore. Shouldn't have that problem, guys. So good old Chrysler Pacifica. Now, the generation 3 started in 2017 on the Pacifica, okay? But on the 2016, it started with the Grand Cherokee and the Dodge Durango, okay? So the Dodge Durango and the Grand Cherokee from 2016 and up will be equipped with the generation 3 Pentastar engine. So everybody that's sitting on the fence, you can now go get the new style minivan, the Durango, or the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and you should have no fear as far as ticking noise. Okay, enough of that. Let's walk this way, guys. What is going on over here? Hey, old style. This is an old body. What is this? Aspen. Yeah, it's an old Aspen. 5.7 Hemi. Not sure what's going on with this. We all know typical Hemi problems. I'm not saying that's what's wrong with this. In fact, I do not know. I'm just merely walking around being nosy. You can tell this is old style. They have a front control module on this. When the last time y'all seen one of these? Well, that's easy for me to say. I pretty much doing new cars. I only see new cars nowadays, so this is all spooky to me right now. But I still have a way to diagnose it, but not sure why they're saying, guys. It's a nice truck, okay? Aspen. All right, guys, let's go this way. See what's going on over here. Back in the used car department. What is they doing back here? Hey, this is a journey. I got a journey, y'all. Looks like he doing some real brakes. Yeah, you know, when you get a used car, you have to inspect everything, guys. So one thing we can't agree on is not a all-wheel drive. There's no rear axle back there. But my man doing some real brakes. No big deal. No big deal at all. Y'all look at all the construction work we got going on. Uh-oh. What are they towing back there? Something is getting towed or something is getting picked up. I don't know. But guys, when they finish with this place, it's going to be top of the line facility. Right now we look kind of busted up because of all the construction going on. They pretty much completed with the inside. Y'all remember all the work I was showing y'all they doing to the inside? But they're getting the handle on it. All right, guys, let's go this way. Hey, another. Oh, it's a 2500. I think this is a diesel, turbo diesel, man. Somebody traded it in. Be interesting to know what they got. I mean, why would you not need a huge diesel anymore? Pretty much, man, when somebody owns one of these, they either doing transportation, some form of transportation work, because you know it's a hitch back here somewhere. So they pulling something. I don't know anybody that own a diesel truck and not using it for work. I mean, like, this nobody's everyday driving car. It's weird. I don't know. Let's go this way, guys. Hey, okay, we can go down to my neck of the wood. Okay, I'm doing something pretty interesting. Interesting from a standpoint of old. To me, old is interesting. All right, guys, that's my piece of junk. Don't worry about that. But this is a Dakota, guys. I'm getting ready to do something I haven't did in a long time, guys. I'm gonna have to knock the cobwebs out of my head. That's right, guys. Real brakes. Actually, I'm doing front and rear brakes. And differential, some maintenance work. Okay, this old Dakota truck. All right, now I got new shoes. Like I say, man, I mean, if you done a couple, you done they all the same, but I cannot resurface these drums. I don't even think our machine is set up. So they got me new drums, new shoes. What else in here? Oh, it's a front brake pads. So I gotta. Oh, I don't even have to turn the rotors. They got me new rotors. Now remember that video I talked about? It may be cheaper to just replace the rotors. Now here's the differential fluid I'm gonna use. Yes, we're doing a diff service. 75W140. Okay, we use Valvoline equipment, and I see some spark plugs in here, which means I have to do a tune-up on it. I don't like calling it a tune-up. I have to replace the spark plugs. Okay, as far as transmission, yep. Now, guys, this have to be a 42 RE. This is one of only many transmission that uses a gasket that a FCA allows. Okay, let me look at this transmission because typically I have been screaming to you guys, no gasket, RTV only. Yes, this one literally calls for a gasket. Yes, I have overhauled plenty of these. They are fairly easy. And with this not being a four-wheel drive, which means there's no transfer case, this transmission will be a piece of cake to overhaul. So it should last a while, especially after, you know, I'm finna do a service on it anyway. So yes, guys. Wow, somebody just put a water pump on it. So I'm getting ready to do brakes, front and rear brakes, getting new rotors, The whole 9 yard. Like I say, guys, this is an old model truck, so drive shaft looks like it's been replaced. The differential. One day, guys, the next differential I do, we're gonna do backlash together, guys. I have a unique way of. It's not unique, but it's everybody tends to do it differently, man. But it's only one goal, and that's to get the backlash where it's supposed to be. So I had to get me a tool, guys. Be careful with this hardware because, from what I'm understanding, it's hard to get hardware kits anymore. See, this is supposed to be touching this. It's been a while, so like I say, I have to. All you cats, Jack's Journal, what is Richard, Tim, all you cats out there that work on these older model vehicles, wish me luck. Now, I should be fine. I should be fine, but just gotta get it done. That's all. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I say, be sure and tune in tomorrow, guys. Jimmy Vaughn from All Park Garage will be on. He's high performance shop. He run a high performance shop, typically Mopar high performance shop. So I'm gonna have him on tomorrow. Yeah, so y'all make sure and tune in tomorrow at 8 p.m. sharp. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later on the next video.